taste of paradise. Hi, I'm Ajunta and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how I make a deliciously sweet jackfruit smoothie without using any sugar. Stay on with me and stay. In fact, as an added bonus, I'm going to show you also how I use certain ingredients to counter the effects of sugar in the smoothie. It's a survival formula to protect myself from the epidemic of diabetes, which is everywhere. One cup of fresh sliced jackfruit, 1 cup of spinach, fresh, half a cup of fresh mint, around 8 Chinese dates, red dates, soaked beforehand for at least an hour, 4 prunes, and the liquids, 1 cup of fresh coconut water, and half a cup of coconut milk, freshly squeezed or boiled. Please subscribe and comment below. All ingredients and the recipe will be in the description box. The first thing we're going to do is put in the liquid, which is 1 cup of coconut water. Then we are going to put in the dates and the prunes and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Okay, that's perfectly blended up, so it's very important to do that first. And now we'll add all the other ingredients. We'll put in the jackfruit, all of it, including its juices, the mint, and the spinach. Along with half a teaspoon of the spices and half a teaspoon of turmeric. And then, of course, we'll top it up with half a cup of coconut milk. Blend it all up again. Delicious, sweet jackfruit smoothie, fortified to bring your health to the next level.